Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to make Gmail account. Just simply follow my steps. Just open to the Google Chrome, which is right in your taskbar or in the desktop. And in the search bar here we can type gmail.com, press enter. And then we can see and go to the create account for myself. And then in here we can type our first name. I am typing a Ram, and last name Lakhan, and username will be Lakhan2805. So look, this username is taken and it says try another. So I am choosing next, but it will be too tough. See, if the username is already taken, then it will not be reused. So username have to be different. So I am choosing Ram Khan 1506. Look, I have changed my last name too. And you can type your password. Look, it says use 8 or more characters with mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So confirm your password. After then we can go to next. See here, type your phone number and country sign, and then type your phone number. So I am typing here my phone number. This recovery email address is optional. You can write here your email if you already have, or there is no need to write here. Choose your gender and write your date of birth and go to the next. So this is the Google policy, then you have to agree. So now a Gmail page has been loaded. This is our Gmail, and then our Gmail has been completed, but we have to confirm it. So log out for once, and then again go to the account which you have just made. Type your password. And then go to next, and now here are confirm your recovery email or phone number. Click there, and then this is the phone number which you have already entered in the next previous session. So code number has been sent in your mobile phone, so check it and enter the 6-digit code. If you didn't get any code, then you can go to the didn't get the code, and it will again send you a code. It is optional to keep your email, so I'm cancelling it. See, now our recovery information has been updated, so do done. So our Gmail is finished and it is completed. So our Gmail is done. Thank you for watching.